Okay, so we are practically done with this video, and just to finish wrapping this up, this synthetic is one full piece that covers this side that is going to be replaced, and this other side is connected. So once we do what I just suggested, which is we cut it right here, there will be no overlap. Not to mention that when we also cut this area, side lap needs to be 6 inches with the other side, so we have to go 6 inches. We have to go past the ridge, the hip and ridge, right there, somewhere in that area. So when we do 6 inches side lap all along this area that you suggested to replace. Same here when we tear off this section, side lap has to be 6 inches, so we all have to come 6 inches on the other side, and head laps is 4 inches. So now what is recommended by manufacturers, both sides has to be covered with each other. It has to be protected. Your first defense of water leaks is the underlayment, and the underlayment has to be according to the manufacturer's guidelines.